कितें मरे तुम्ही जरी तर टेक्निकली जरी तर चोयल्यार आज एनसी एक कमिटी असता. आता वेन वी हॅव अ कमिटी बेसिकली कितले लेजिस्लेशन जावपाक जाय with regards to legislation. When we say with regards to the minimum number of days, uh, they have recommended कि minimum number of days for an assembly below 70 and below should be 50 days. If we look per year, 50 days per year. Ata this commission has recommended, although it's not binding, but it is a minimum requirement. Ata 13 sessions in the Legislative Assembly over 4 years. That has been only 98 days. 98 days for so many years. आज जरी तर हेजेर विचार जरी तर तुम चोयल्यार जेन्ना स्पीकर म्हणटा 30 दिसा जावपा जाय वर्सान मिनिमम 3 दीस मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा पुरो हे जरी तर चोयल्यार this itself is an insult to the people of Goa. Last time you all know how the assembly session was curtailed. What was the reason for curtailment? On the pretext of code of conduct. When code of conduct, other places, assembly happened, finance budget was presented on that particular day in another state that was going for poll. But inga assembly na anik election na. आज जेन्ना स्पीकर इज अ ऑथॉरिटी मुखेलमंत्री ताका सांगपाक सोदता आता मागेर नाही म्हणजे हितून कितें दिसता आता माघार नाही हे सगळे जरी तर चोयल्यार हुकुमशाय सरकाराक अकाउंटेबिलिटी म्हणटी दवरपाक ना डिबेट एक हेल्दी डिबेट जावपाक जाय कित्याक हे भियेता एक सायडी मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ना दुसरे सायडी 3 दिसाचे सेशन दिस इज अ मॉकरी दिस इज अ मॉकरी ऑफ गव्हर्नन्स या सरकाराक अकाउंटेबिलिटी नाका आज आम्ही at 4:30 5 o'clock opposition MLAs are meeting. We will decide the next future course of action with regards to how to go about this limited 3 days of session. Ek sangpak sotna, whatever decision is being taken by the opposition MLAs, we will stand by them.